All this week with a team of journalists across the country, we're exploring help for students and their families who've been set back most by COVID-19. Tonight we look at a public-private partnership formed after community leaders saw the neighborhoods hardest hit by the pandemic are directly linked with the schools most impacted. KXAN's Jacqueline Powell shows an innovative task force being developed to provide Title I schools in Austin with the help and resources that they need for a safe learning environment.
Some of the poorest parts of Austin are on its east side. With a large minority population, many here work essential jobs and live in multi-generational households. Health leaders say that all of that contributes to some of the highest COVID-19 positivity rates citywide in areas where people can't afford to stay home and must send their kids to Title I schools like Barbara Jordan Elementary here. Schools that help meet the needs of students from low-income families.
It's where we get meals, it's where we get knowledge, it's where our friends are, that's where we have other people that care about us.
That's why Travis County Commissioner Jeff Trevelyan is working with health officials, nonprofits, and advocacy groups to put together a Title I task force, pulling in experts and resources needed to make these schools safer for students and staff during the pandemic.
It is important for us to focus on the kids that historically have been the last in line.
The task force has begun with a pilot focusing on 2 Title I elementary schools in East Austin. It'll deviate from the traditional one-size-fits-all approach many school boards take when funding schools.
We're going to really rely on the school to help illuminate that for us, to tell us where we can be supportive.
Advocates like Janice Bookout, who's helping lead the project, will work closely with principals, teachers, and even parents to come up with tailored responses for each school, keeping each student's needs in mind.
What happens when a 6-year-old who's used to seeing his teacher in normal clothes without a mask sees them with their hair covered, sees them with a mask, maybe a plastic covering over their head, in a gown with their shoes covered?
Providing mental health resources is a big part of the plan, bringing in counselors and others who can help kids traumatized by the pandemic. The task force will also provide proper PPE for anyone interacting with students and implement rapid COVID-19 testing on campuses. The group is already partnering with local health institutes, and it's requested leftover supplies like coronavirus tests that the county's health department has in surplus.
Then we could raise the dollars that are necessary to get the rest.
The task force will also perform risk assessments on each school and determine individualized solutions for issues that don't align with CDC guidelines, like poor ventilation or lack of space to distance. After the 2 pilot schools, the effort will then expand to other low-income schools in Austin sometime next semester.
This will be a work in progress all the way through the pandemic until it's over.
And these advocates say the model they create will be useful in schools in low socioeconomic areas even after a vaccine is available.
Where we go from there is to use the lessons that we've learned and leverage that ground taken to help offset those inequities moving forward.
The task force recognizes this is a complex project that takes both time and money. The group is still working to source public and private funding so that it can expand to other schools. All of this as the need increases, with coronavirus cases continuing to rise here in Texas. In Austin, I'm Jacqueline Powell.
All week we are bringing you stories as part of this project here on KXAN News. Tomorrow on KXAN News at 10 o'clock, how one school district is seeing the benefits of virtual learning for some students. In fact, they're thriving. Until then, our Spanish-speaking viewers can take a closer look at how language issues impact learning during the pandemic. Just go to the main page of our Pandemic Pass or Fail project and click on the Discover Resources button. There at the top of the next page, you'll see a special section called Soluciones en Español, where you'll find links to our stories in Spanish and our town hall with Spanish-speaking education experts from around the country.